Today I would like to showcase one of the exercise progressions for the Rec Fit workout. This is not a week 1 exercise, but a week 11 of a 12-week series. The exercise we're going to go over today is essentially 2 exercises put together in a nice little package. We have the windmill, and we also have a kneeling windmill. This exercise sequence develops strength in the shoulder. It also develops a unique line of communication between you, the shoulder, and its surrounding muscles, and the midsection. This exercise will definitely develop your pushing strength, but also your pulling strength. It works the shoulder and the frontal plane, and you can also say that this is a lateral movement.
I'm excited to give you guys this tutorial, so let's jump right into it. What we have here is an overhead position. The overhead is a discipline which we use in kettlebells. It is to strengthen the communication and coordination between the shoulders and the lats. You're trying to stabilize that shoulder blade. Once you pivot the feet, you can get into a proper position to begin the windmill. You also have to position the knee and hip so that you can get this kneeling windmill. Slightly heavier bell. The same fundamentals apply. Both legs are straight, hinging at the hip. Find that knee position on the planted foot, standing leg. Positioning is very important so that you can get that proper angle. Watch the bell. Make sure to keep the bell stable over the shoulder. Drive through the hips, push that hip forward as you come out of the lunge. You want to really use those quads and glutes. Okay, so our last one here. Heavier bell. This one begins in the overhead position. The heavier weight forces you to focus more on your stability, more on your balance, more on your execution. And get that swing and switch. Last one here, folks. Okay, tighten the core. Bring the arm on the instep of the front leg. Find your angle. Okay, let's make our way back to the top. And there you have it.